Are you overwhelmed with tasks, emails, and meetings? Struggling to keep track of all your projects? Not to worry. Today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to streamline your workday and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Watch as I demonstrate creating a dynamic to-do list from scratch. Open up a new chat right here and simply type my prompt like this. Help me organize my tasks for today. So make sure to sign in if prompted and hit enter. So let's see, ChatGPT. Oh, as you can see, it's not yet further detailed because, according to which, ChatGPT is asking what tasks do I have in mind. So, in order for ChatGPT to further generate that dynamic to-do list that I wanted, so I put up each of my tasks that were specified, that were listed right here. See how each were specified here? And hit send. There. So, based on the input, ChatGPT quickly arranges my tasks by priority and suggests setting reminders. Let's agree to that. And just like that, you've got a smarter way to handle your day-to-day tasks. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's tackle your calendar. Let's tell ChatGPT about your meetings and appointments. Write in your prompt about your upcoming meetings and appointments like, "Hey ChatGPT, I have a meeting with a marketing team at 10 a.m. tomorrow, a client call at 2 p.m., and a dentist appointment at 4:30 p.m. After that, you could include this or send this prompt as a follow-up. I'll just send this along with the one I just typed. Can you suggest a schedule for tomorrow based on my appointments? And here we go. So let's hit send. See what ChatGPT generates. Here's how ChatGPT put together a schedule with the appointments in your input. Also, if you're willing to shift your schedule a bit, you can simply ask, like here in my typed, actually, I prefer to start my day with the marketing team meeting. Can you adjust accordingly? Then let's see how ChatGPT adjusts with what I input right here. And here we go. All set depending if you're fully satisfied with the results. With ChatGPT's help with the schedule, you won't be worried on double bookings or missed meetings. There you have it. With ChatGPT, organizing your workday is simpler and more efficient than ever.